The paint on black cars tells a story, and not always the one you want. Every swirl mark, water spot, and micro scratch seems to pop against that deep, dark finish. Frustrating, isn't it? If you've been searching for a solution to protect your black car's paint, stick around. In this video, we're exploring the top 5 ceramic coatings that can keep your car looking pristine and glossy. Be sure to check the description below for product links. Let's jump in. First up is Magic Shield's graphene-infused coating. This product doesn't just sit on your paint, it bonds at a molecular level, forming a durable, invisible shield. Imagine water and dirt rolling off effortlessly while scratches struggle to leave a mark. That's the kind of protection this coating offers, lasting over 5 years. What's even better? The kit comes with everything you need: the coating, applicator pads, and detailed instructions to make the process straightforward. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, working not just on your car's paint, but also on glass, wheels, and plastic trim. The hydrophobic properties are genuinely impressive. Watching water beat up and slide right off is oddly satisfying, and it takes dirt along with it. And the gloss? Your black paint will look deeper, richer, and more refined. It's like turning up the volume on your car's shine. That said, applying this coating requires a bit of care and patience. The instructions, while detailed, could do a better job clarifying cure times and ideal conditions for bonding. Take your time with the prep work. It's worth it for results that last. Another consideration: the 50mm bottle may feel a bit tight for larger vehicles. If you're working with a full-size truck or SUV, you might need an extra bottle to ensure full coverage. Number 4. CARPRO DQUARTZ Go. Curious about what sets this coating apart? The DQUARTZ Go introduces an exciting innovation: nano diamond powder technology. Yes, you heard that right, diamonds. This advanced coating boosts surface hardness by up to 5 points on the pencil scale, offering solid protection against scratches and wear. What's great about this product is that it's specifically designed for home application. Professional-grade protection, right at your fingertips. You don't need a detailing shop to give your car the care it deserves. The formula resists UV damage, chemicals, and mechanical wear, all while preserving that rich, deep black finish we all love. But it doesn't stop there. The coating's enhanced smoothness comes from its fluoropolymer formula, which adds a silky feel to your car's surface. Maintenance? A breeze. Dust and dirt have a hard time sticking, and when it's time to clean, a simple wipe with a damp microfiber towel is usually enough. Your car stays cleaner longer between washes, saving you time and effort. That said, a little word of advice. This coating requires proper surface preparation. It's not a magic eraser for imperfections. It seals them in. If your black paint has noticeable swirls or scratches, consider professional paint correction first to achieve the best results. Number 3. CERAKOTE Ceramic Trim Coat. Let's talk about something a little different. This product is all about black plastic trim restoration. If your vehicle's trim is starting to look dull or faded, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. CERAKOTE doesn't just coat the surface. It's designed to bond directly with plastic, making it stand out from traditional ceramic coatings. The pre-moistened wipes are a big win for simplicity. No mixing, no special tools, just grab a wipe and get to work. Each kit comes with enough product to handle most vehicles' trim pieces, and the peace of mind, that comes with the 2-year guarantee from the manufacturer. What's really exciting is how this product actually restores faded trim rather than just covering it up. The ceramic polymers work their magic, bringing back that rich, deep black finish without leaving any greasy residue. It's like turning back the clock on your car's appearance. Now, here's where I want to emphasize something. This product works best on trim that's moderately faded. If the plastic is severely worn, you might need a couple of applications to get the look you want. And pay close attention when applying. It can appear streaky if not spread evenly, so take your time to get it just right. One feature I really appreciate: there's no messy cleanup afterward. That said, be mindful with those pre-moistened wipes. Once opened, they can dry out quickly, so tackle each section promptly for the best results. If you've tried this product or have your own tips for restoring trim, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Number 2. Adams Polish's Ceramic Spray Coating Kit. If you're looking for an innovative and convenient way to protect your car's finish, this product has something truly unique: graphene oxide technology combined with patent-pending UV glow tracers. The UV tracers help you spot any missed areas during application, ensuring complete and even coverage on your black paint. How cool is that? The spray format makes it incredibly versatile. You can easily apply it to paint, wheels, glass, headlights, and trim without any hassle. And here's the exciting part: you can build up its protection layer by layer, giving you even more durability over time. For black paint enthusiasts, this product is a game changer in tackling water spots. The graphene particles create a slick, hydrophobic surface that not only prevents water spots, but also makes washing your car so much easier. Dirt and grime? They struggle to stick to the treated surface, saving you time and effort. With proper maintenance, the coating lasts around 18 months, which is pretty impressive for a spray-on application. However, it's worth noting that this type of application won't give you the same thickness or long-term durability as traditional ceramic coatings. And for full effectiveness of the UV tracer feature, you'll need to purchase a separate UV light, something to keep in mind. Because the spray is lower in viscosity, it's best to work in smaller sections to avoid streaking, especially on dark colors. And while the bottle design is convenient, some users have mentioned that the spray pattern can be inconsistent, so take your time to ensure even application. Number 1. Nexgen Ceramic Spray. If you're looking for a ceramic spray that truly delivers on black cars, Nexgen's silicon dioxide formula is hard to beat. Its exceptional clarity and high-gloss finish create a breathtaking glass-like surface that really brings out the depth of dark paint. It's the kind of shine that turns heads. What I love about this product is how simple it is to use. The 3-step process, spray, wipe, buff, makes it perfect for beginners. No special tools or complicated instructions, just effortless results. And with an 8-ounce bottle providing multiple applications for a mid-size vehicle, it's not just effective, it's economical too. But it's not just about ease of use. This coating performs consistently across a variety of exterior surfaces, paint, glass, and trim included. Its hydrophobic properties are a standout feature, preventing water spots and making maintenance so much easier. Black paint stays cleaner longer, meaning less time washing and more time enjoying your car looking its best. Now, let's talk about a few things to watch out for. While application is straightforward, environmental factors like humidity can affect curing time. High humidity might cause streaking on dark surfaces, so it's best to work in moderate conditions. Also, the spray nozzle can occasionally clog, so keeping it clean between uses will save you frustration. For the best results, I recommend applying multiple thin layers rather than one thick coat. This gives the coating a smoother finish and longer-lasting protection. And don't forget, applying at a moderate surface temperature ensures the product bonds perfectly for that flawless shine. These ceramic coatings all bring something unique to the table. The best choice depends on your experience and what kind of protection you're looking for. If this review was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more auto care tips.